Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in my tips and tricks on having fuller, plumper lips without it looking unnatural, then please keep on watching. So if you can see, my lips are not bold on the thinner side. I'm going to show you some tricks on how to get bolder lips. So let me zoom you in. We are going to start with a lip liner. This one is from MAC and it is the Cherry Lip Pencil. I like this one because you can sharpen it to a pretty intense point. It is creamy enough and long lasting. So one of the first tip is to use a very sharp pencil. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the top lip, and where you want to overline is here and here. Where it's important that you not overline is right here. So you want to stay close, and you can go up further and up further, but always right here you want to stay at the natural lip line. That's going to help it look more natural. So let's go ahead and start with the top lip. Notice how I'm staying close right here. So if you went out, it would look very unnatural. You can go a little bit higher if you'd like. And just follow the natural shape of your lip. Now, for the bottom, you can go a little bit further down, but again, meet at that natural line of your lip. Let's see if I can do this and stay in frame. You can even cheat and start where you know you have less wiggle room. To make sure that you're looking straight on at the camera to make sure straight on at the mirror to make sure that you are not crooked and that you are symmetrical on either side. This would help if your lips are not perfectly symmetrical as well. If you mess up, you can take a makeup wipe, wipe it off. You can take a Q-tip with a little concealer or makeup remover and correct where you have made a boo-boo. I'm going to use the NYX, is it Shine Loud? Shine Loud lip color. I think it's easier to use a liquid lip than a bullet lipstick for this. See how much fuller they look now? I'll try to do a before and after for you as well. So we want to give this a second to set and dry before we add the gloss. Okay, when you feel it has dried, you can go in with the gloss side of this lip color. Maybelline makes a nice one as well. One of my favorites is from Chanel, but this is good too, and this is pretty affordable. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please consider subscribing before you leave. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you want me to do this in a nude version, I'm happy to do it again. Please leave a comment so that I know you were here, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.